Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video we will see how to download and install Core FTP LE software. So let's get started. For this you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar you need to enter Core FTP LE. Okay, so it is a client software. Then you will get the first link selected. Over here you need to select 64-bit. This is downloaded the setup file. Click on open. You will get a pop-up. Select yes. Click on I agree. We'll go with the default settings, then click on next, click on install, and click on close. I'll close this web browser. To start the core FTP, select search and type core. Okay, you'll get to see core FTP LE. Click on open. It is asking to set the default editor. I'll click on yes. To connect to the site, you will need to enter the host details, username, password, and the port details. Okay, and once you click on the connect, it is going to connect. Over here you need to select the type of connection which you want. Okay, that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.